What's up, my little loves? My name is PokeDrago. Welcome back to another video. Now in this video, as you can probably tell, I'm at another car meet, which is pretty good.
You know what I'm saying, boy?
That was that guy over there. That was fun. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm at this car meet that I saw on Instagram post saying, hey, there's gonna be a car meet today, first one of 2018. So I said, you know what? Let's do it. So guess what? I'm out here right now. Let's check out some of these nice beauties. Ready? Let's do this. Got a beautiful here. Beautiful Hellcat. Look, oh yeah. Beautiful Stingray. Challenger.
And I like chemical guys.
A Subi. The old fashioned over there. Got some nice good tuner cars over there. And then we got my beauty over here. And then we got some of the guys over there that set this whole thing up. Then there's some more beauties over there. And yeah, everything's going good. Got a beautiful beauty right here. Then you got a Mustang that's just keeping his distance right there. Looks like he has the M3 wheels that's on there. I'm probably gonna move mine like right beside his, because you know that could probably be a good beamer spot right there.
Up underneath.
Alright.
Yeah. If you bend down, you can.
Oh my God! Oh, no wonder.
Yeah.
Because one of my someone I follow on YouTube named StreetSpeed717.
Yeah, watch him.
You watch him?
Yeah.
Yeah, he does the exact same thing. So like when I heard I'm like, did StreetSpeed717 come here? Because I see a Corvette and I heard a truck that did that. So StreetSpeed has to be somewhere near here.
Yeah. It's loud. I like it. It's fun.
I bet you when someone gets in the way and you do that, they end up moving really quickly, huh?
I've given it to a couple of people.
Gas, I have
I just
20 bucks and to get out of the parking lot. So
dude, the best and worst thing about this, 4-cylinder, I can't get gas mileage, but all the it's like
we got an M baby, M power, and he has a little GoPro on his car. Look at we got the boys. We got the boys. Woo! Back that ass up. Damn it. I like the wheels he has on it. I think those are probably the wheels I'm gonna put on Super. Then we got a Mustang. We got a Mustang. Please do not freaking honk full of. Oh my God. I'm gonna take one good guess, and I'm gonna say the M1 is the leader. Oh, boys are coming in. More boys are coming in. Hey, what up, dude? Good. He's someone who I used to hang out with. Actually, no, that's actually technically the whole crew. Before, like, hold on, story time with PokeDrago. So before the M5 Ruben and stuff like that, these guys right here were the original OGs. Him and him. These guys were the original OGs. Ah, no way. I didn't think. Bet you feel really special.
Cheers, dude. How are you?
Good. How about you?
Right in the sun.
How are you, dude?
Good, man.
Oh yeah, I'm about to head out.
Woo.
Oh yeah, you kind of tired. Yeah, let's.
Yeah. You got some nice ones. You got a Jaguar, which is over there, you guys. I really want this to be. So now I'm actually also decided to move my car. So we have like 3 Beamers, like all in one go. Hello. Woo. Go ahead, move. Man, look at that ride, yo. Jaguars have always been like on my choice, my car choice. Like, oh. Hey man, nice ride. Woo. Looking nice.
Out for a little bit.
So, oh, there's a GTR. Okay, okay, GTR. Okay, okay. And it's black tinted. You know, we're good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Got some good guys. Got some good ones. Got some good ones.
Did you
Yeah.
get that? The vlog? Did you get that?
Yeah.
What happened? What's going on?
Get what? Yo, oh, why is it so fucking cold? Yes, I got that. Ah, sweet, a GTR. Now, I'm not no fanboy of the GTR, but a GTR is still a GTR, meaning the GTR is still pretty freaking nice. Pretty freaking nice. Woo! It's almost fully blacked out and everything. Holy crap! So good. Hey man, nice ride.
They call me Tanner Fox.
Woo. The world are you doing?
Lucky I'm skilled.
So far, the nicest cars here are the GTR and the Jaguar. That's inappropriate as all get up. Oh, sorry about that, you guys. Ah. Oh, beautiful cars, baby. I'm willing to die for you guys. I'm willing to put my coldness on the line for you guys, just so you guys can see some good cars. What the heck? How do you keep 5 SUV? Okay. That's just Okay. In all seriousness, bro. Oh, I heard that. I heard that. The the longer you sit in the car, the worse it gets when you come back out.
Yeah. Great. Sir, no revving. I gotta go now.
He said no revving. Fuck, I gotta go. Some more babies are showing up.
Crank the wheel. Turn the wheel all the way to the driver's side if you don't mind.
The car's off. Looks like it. Hey, I'm gonna grab my buddy and his.
Alrighty. I like that color. That color looks really nice for that car. Wait, are you trying to get a picture or do video?
Say that again?
I said you tried to get a picture or video.
Pictures.
No, I was like, what the world?
You want it that way?
Yeah, turn them all the way to the driver's side.
Okay.
Oh boy. The coldness is unreal, bruh. Wow. I don't even know what to say, man. Wow. Holy heck! Holy heck! I like how he moved his car like farther away from everybody else's. I don't know what the heck he's doing. I don't know what the heck he's doing. Ah! Ah! Oh, look, a drone! Hey, look! A drone, everybody! Hey, that's pretty cool.
First call's a bitch out here.
What's you guys' opinion on this this 1LT or this LT1? I actually like it. It's actually pretty cool. There's that drone again. Alrighty.
I don't know, but he unfollowed me on his other account. Oh, my secondary he
Still rocking the Beamer, the Mustang, we got a Subi. Woo! Guys, on the real here, I am actually getting somewhat cold. So, but I will suffer through it for you guys' entertainment. Woo! Oh yeah. Where are these guys going? There's that drone again. Ah yeah. Beautiful drone. A beautiful Camaro, beautiful BMW. I honestly thought that was woo! That's nice. Sorry for me shaking, guys, but oh my god, I'm going. Got some more beauties right here. They are like BRZs, I believe. Or something like that. I don't remember. Woo! All I heard was, why is he in my car? Oh boy, that wind is monstrous. That wind is monstrous. I'm taking the key out. There we go. Hey! And the damn one, people are not ready. Oh, there's some police cars.
Oh, is there more? Oh, shit.
Wait, do you think we might have gotten busted?
There's two now. There's one below us somewhere. I don't know.
Oh, so should we get out of here?
No. Is he coming up here?
Oh Lord, this is about to be a whole Fast and Furious moment. They're about to shut it down. Yeah, there's a cop. There are two. And there's one rhino and there's, I think, just a normal one.
I'm on probation, so I'm gonna get the fuck out of here.
So what do you think's gonna happen?
They're gonna come up here, and that's what's gonna happen.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll be alright.
Alright.
We'll be alright.
Alright.
They'll come up here.
If we're nice to the cops and don't shit talk, like, you want to see some shit?
I wanna see something.
Yeah.
Let's see what you got, bro.
Nothing, bro. Just the big turns. Just an intake.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Just lovely.
That is beauty. That's just beauty right there.
Nice.
Whew. Whew. Oh boy. Whoa! 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 It's okay. We're about to get.
Clear it out. Trespassing. Everybody out.
Alright, everybody, let's get the heck out of here, bro. Let's get the heck out of here, bro. Oh my god! Apparently we're trespassing up the mother trucker. Apparently we're trespassing. Apparently we're trespassing. What? Okay, I'm not even gonna question it. We need to get the H out of here. Bruh. Oh my god! We need to go! We need to move, man! Holy shit! Yeah, everybody go, 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 go! Oh my god! There are so many, there are like 2 cops. Bruh! Bro, what do we do? Are we gonna move the meat somewhere? Yo, we're moving the meat somewhere? Alright. Get out of mind! Oh my god! There are cops! Yo, are we moving? Wait, are we moving the meat somewhere?
Hey, follow that Challenger or the Subaru?
Follow the Subaru?
Yeah, or the Challenger.
Alright, follow the Subaru. Follow the Subi. Yeah, follow the blue Subi. That one right there, the newer one. Follow the blue Subi. Follow the blue Subi right there, yeah. But don't do anything crazy, bruh. Oh my god, the cops, bruh. Get the hell out of here. Like, did you hear like how quickly they just came up here and stuff?
So the cop pulled in the parking garage behind me, and then I was sitting here waiting for him to come up.
Right.
And then whenever he didn't come up, that's when I got out of my car. And then the second I get out of my car and start walking around.
Yeah. Like I heard brrr, and they just came up here like a freaking bullet. Oh my god, that actually scared the heck out of me. Yo, we all need to get the H out of here though, because that's actually, cause like I heard what they said. If we don't get out in a certain amount of time, they're gonna start issuing tickets, and I don't think any of us had that much time to be paying a ticket. I need to get behind that Subi. Oh my god. Move! Everybody get out of here! Go! Follow the Subi! Follow the Subi, bro! Follow the Subi, bro! Oh shit! Okay, now I gotta get the F out of here. Oh no, bro! I gotta move. We gotta move. It's time to go. It's time to go, bro. It's time to go, bro. Oh my god! It's time to leave. It's time to go. Holy shit, bro! Everybody is freaking going. Like, we are moving out. They were cop shut us down, bro. Oh my god. Bro, like, oh my god. I don't think you guys, actually, I don't think y'all understand how freaking scary that was. Like, we all, like cops came in like a bullet. Like, they said, oh yeah, we're trespassing. What? I honestly don't think we were trespassing. I honestly don't think so. Apparently to the cops, we were. What is happening, bro? Oh my god! What is happening, bro? Like, oh shit! We're all trying, bro. Oh my god. Do I have my ticket? I don't know. No, I don't mean like that, you guys. Like there it is. This is what I'm talking about. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Like, there are cars like everywhere. What is happening? What, are we about to be issued tickets? What? Hold on a second. We're about to be issued tickets for trespassing? Yo, in all seriousness, what is happening? Holy crap. I'm gonna need y'all to like stop talking after Whoa! What the heck, bro? This is gonna be like this is some crazy BS right here. So what's happening, bro? Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. What's happening, bro? What's happening? Oh, my God. No. Freaking cops. Wait, what's happening? Oh my god! That's some BS right there. This is some hard darn BS. So I have a bad feeling about this, but I think we're gonna be. I think some of us are getting tickets, which is something I don't want to have to return to Mel or my mother about. Oh my god, I didn't know. Like, by God, apparently we're trespassing. I mean, some of us may not have like these things like right here, like what I have. I like got my thing when I came in, so I don't know. Like, I don't know what's happening, you guys. Hopefully, you know, everything's gonna be okay. So, from what I've heard, we're not getting tickets, but I know there's gonna be some sort of punishment. So, yeah. I just want to know what the H is happening, because I don't want to, you know, get in trouble. And revving isn't making it any better. Oh my god. So it looks as though, I guess this is gonna be like the end of everything. Like, I guess it's the end of the car meet, because I asked Mitchell what we're gonna do. He said they're probably just gonna go home. So yeah. I mean, hopefully he changes his mind and maybe we can set up somewhere else. But oh, that's not fair, bruh. Oh well. Yeah, I guess we shall see. So I'm finally back home, you guys, with this lovable thing. Yeah. Watch this, you guys. Yeah, I'm finally back. No ticket, no anything. Thank goodness. Wow.